Ndewo. Hello and welcome to Igbo Academy. Aha m bụ Nwada Chioma. Isiokwu anyị tata bụ atụmatụ okwu. Atụmatụ okwu n'olu oyibo bụ nke a na-akpọ figures of speech. So today I'm going to talk about a figure of speech, and figure of speech in Igbo language is called atụmatụ okwu. The figure of speech we're going to talk about today is Ahaọnọchi. Metonymy in English, Ahaọnọchi in Igbo. Ahaọnọchi bụ atụmatụ okwu ndị Igbo ji edochi aha ihe. Ọ bụ okwu ha ji eto mmadụ site na ụdị akparamagwa onye ahụ, ọdịdị onye ahụ, na ịgba mbọ ya. Ndị Igbo ji okwu Ahaọnọchi aja mmadụ mma. Ọ bụ aha ọ na-abụ akpọ mmadụ, obi ekolie ya elu. So this metonymy, which is Ahaọnọchi in Igbo, is a figure of speech that is used to substitute for somebody's name. When you want to call someone, you won't call the person's name. You call somebody with something the person is known for. That is metonymy. It's a substitution of a name. And Ahaọnọchi in Igbo language is aha. Aha is a name. Ọnọchi is to substitute or to close, to use instead. Ịnọchiye is to use instead of something. So the name you use instead of calling someone's name is metonymy. Example: if some people are doing good in a community, they are being given names, so that instead of calling them their names, you call them, it's just like a name to praise the person. Example: Nwakibeya. The meaning of Nwakibeya is a child that is greater than his mates, a child that is greater than his peers. That is Nwakibeya. So when you call someone Nwakibeya, you know the person is doing very well. He's doing more than what his peers can do or should be doing. Number 2, we have Ọnwa na-etiri ọha, the moon that shines for the people or for the community. When someone is an Ọnwa na-etiri ọha, it means that the person has been contributing immensely, has been doing things, has been helping people out in the community. That's why we call the person Ọnwa na-etiri ọha. The person is like a moon in the night that shines on everybody in the village or in the community. Number 3, we have Ochiri Ọzọ is someone that takes others and trains them. Someone that brings others together and trains them. So when you call someone Ochiri Ọzọ, it means that person has been contributing immensely to a group or a community or a village. That's why you call the person Ochiri Ọzọ. Number 4, we have Agbakpọ Dike Izu. That's when you have a meeting or when you have a conversation without a strong person or a mighty person. No, you have to do it again. The full sentence is Agbakpọ Dike Izu awagharịa ya. So when you're having a conversation with a very important person is supposed to be there, the person is not there, you have to start again when the person comes. So for you to call someone by this name, it means that the person is very, very important. Just as we have Ahaọnọchi for acknowledging people's good behavior, we have another one for rebuking people's bad behavior. So when you want to rebuke people that have bad behaviors, their names that you call them. Like when you call Nwakibeya, Ọnwa na-etiri ọha, Ochiri Ọzọ, Agbakpọ Dike Izu. When you call all those names, everybody knows that they are good names. But there are some names that you call too that are also bad. Atụmatụ okwu Ahaọnọchi abụghị naanị n'iji ajali mmadụ na ito mmadụ ka a na-ahụ ya, ọ dịkwazị n'ụdị eji ekwutọ mmadụ maọbụ akatọ onye ajọ omume. See, someone that has a bad character, you can also use the metonymy to rebuke that character or to condemn the character. Examples, we have one, ajọ nwa na-eku n'ikpere. Ajọ nwa a na-eku n'ikpere. It means a bad child that you carry on your knee. A bad child. You know you're supposed to carry a child close to your bosom, close to your body. But when the child is bad, you carry the child on your knee. You don't want the child to come near you at all. So when you see someone, they call the person Onya, Igbo ajọ nwa na-eku n'ikpere, means that the person is very bad. You don't need to go near to the person to know, see what the person can do. The person has done many bad things for them to give the guy that name or the person that name. Number 2, oji abalị mere ehihie. Oji abalị mere ehihie. Oji abalị mere ehihie means someone that uses the night as his afternoon. Someone that uses night as his or her afternoon. So when you hear that, it means that the person, in the night when others are sleeping, the person is walking around looking for a bad thing to do, looking for somewhere to steal. So when you hear a child being called or someone being called oji abalị mere ehihie, it means that they're just saying that person is very bad, that person is a thief. So when you're passing, instead of people to call you onye oyi, a thief, or onye ekperima, they just say oji abalị mere ehihie. So once others hear it, they'll know that this person is very bad. Let's just avoid him. Number 3, we have uchicha mere ihe boro oke. Uchicha mere ihe boro oke. Uchicha is a cockroach. Mere ihe boro oke. A cockroach that did what is being put, what people think that a rat did. A cockroach, you know what a cockroach can do. Let's take for example a cockroach. When it's biting a bag or something, it will bite it very small. Or going to eat a fish, it will eat it very small. But the cockroach that eats a fish, to the extent that you start thinking if the cockroach ate the fish or a rat ate the fish, now that cockroach is very bad. So uchicha mere ihe boro oke is someone that is very bad. The person is very cool, calm, collected. When you see the person has an innocent face, you don't know, you can't see the person has done anything wrong, but the person has actually did something very, very bad. There's another name. Then we have Abali Diegu. Abali Diegu is also a thief. So these are words, these are sentences that you use instead of calling somebody's name, which is metonymy in English language. Okwu niile ndị ahụ edepụtara, ma nke na-ekwu mma na nke na-ekwu njọ, ma nke eji ajali mmadụ, ma nke na-ekwutọ mmadụ, ha niile bụcha Ahaọnọchi. 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 So all these, both the ones that are telling good about people and the ones that are rebuking people, all these are metonymies or Ahaọnọchi, or substitutions for people's name or for someone's name. So that will be all about this figure of speech, Ahaọnọchi. Please don't forget to subscribe.